start this conversation.
Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. So today I'll be showing you basically a simple project that I did. So in this project we're using a UR5 robot. So it's sort of like a small scale version of an industrial robot that you see in most factories. So the aim of this lab was to basically assemble and disassemble gears in a gear pump. So as you can see now, it has already taken the larger gear and put it in the gearbox gear pump box, and now it's taking the smaller gear and putting it back. So it does this by using a thing called waypoints. So waypoints are basically specific points that the robot's supposed to move, and for this robot it's supposed to move orthogonally, basically in 90 degrees. So move orthogonally in straight linearly. So move straight 90 degrees down, goes then up again 90 degrees, goes back in a linear fashion. So there's no diagonal movements from to and fro. So now you can see it's basically done with the disassembly process. So maybe just go run it through again, and this it was at around 50% speed, and you can see there are our names. So you can see our names, that's me and my two other members, Peng Ning and Yu Peng Jing, and you can see the first waypoint is the motor. The robot basically goes to the first gear, goes down in a linear fashion, straight down on a 90 degree, picks up the gear, then moves also straight in a linear fashion, goes left in a linear fashion, then goes down, drops that first gear, then now comes back to this other gear, the smaller gear, moves basically the same way as it did with the first gear, then it drops, and then it spins, basically rotates the gear. As you can see right there, it rotates the gear, then it picks it back up, then it turns it to its original position. Enough. Yeah. So when you are programming this machine, we're actually moving in steps and at a lower speed, so that you can get those waypoints precisely, because you don't want to make a mess when you're making these waypoints. Otherwise the robot will not go to the specified location. So that will be it. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and to click subscribe if you haven't already, and get updates for videos like this.